Hey guys, what's up? Jace here. Real quick video for you guys on how to find your conversion rate for like your squeeze pages and stuff. Um, so how to find your conversion rate. First of all, it's best if you send, if it's possible to send at least 200 to 300 clicks or so to your squeeze page to get a really good idea of your conversion rate and what's happening there. And then what you want to do is take the number of opt-ins that you got. So check your autoresponder and see how many opt-ins you got divided by the number of clicks sent to your squeeze page or your page views. Couple different ways you can do that. There's Google Website Optimizer. You can install the code on your page and split test your actually, if you're going to do that, that's what Google Optimizer does, is it'll already give you your conversion rate, so never mind that. If you're going to use Google Optimizer, which is a whole other video, that actually will give you your it'll split test two different pages, and you can actually see which one converts better, and it'll give you all that information. So that's another video. That's not for this video, so never mind I said that. Actually, if you use like ClickStrack to, say you send a solo ad out, you buy a solo ad, and you can go to ClickStrack and track your link, make a tracking link for that, and when your solo ad goes out, when they send your solo out, you'll be able to track how many clicks that you got to your squeeze page, and then you can go ahead and use this formula here. You just take the number of opt-ins you got divided by the number of clicks that were sent to your page, and then you times that by 100 and you get your conversion rate. So I'll show you how to do that. So let's say you had a particular freebie that you were giving away, your squeeze page. Let's say you got 75 opt-ins. Yeah, that's not what we want. Sometimes when I click on this, it like goes crazy. But so let's start over. 75 opt-ins. So you want to divide that by the clicks sent to your page, like that solo I was talking about. If you sent a solo out and you tracked your link through ClickStrack or any other tracking, link tracking, so that you know exactly how many clicks were sent to that page, then you can use this formula to get your conversion rate. Let's say you got 75 opt-ins on this particular squeeze page from this solo ad that you bought. Okay, so then you go check your ClickStrack account and check and see how many clicks were sent. Sometimes you buy a solo ad for 100 clicks, 250, and you get a little more than that. So it's always a good idea to go ahead and track that, so you see exactly how many you got. So let's say we had 200 clicks. Actually, let's make sure I did that right, because I don't know if I hit divide, but so 75 opt-ins divided by 200 clicks, and then you just want to times that. Actually, you can see what your conversion rate is right here, 37%, but to get this decimal over, just times it by 100. A lot of times I skip this step because you can already see what it is here, but basically 37.5% would be your opt-in rate. I have no idea what I just did there. Has to do with the calculator, but probably because I was highlighting this. But anyway, it's as simple as that. You just take, once again, your opt-ins divided by your clicks sent to squeeze page, and then times that by 100, and that gives you your opt-in rate. Of course, if you do use Google, Website Optimizer, and you can track your squeeze pages that way, and actually split test and all that stuff. And I recommend that you do that. But anyways, this is just, if you're just starting out and you're like, you don't know how to use Google Optimizer yet, and everything, and you buy a solo ad, make sure you click track your link, and that way you can see exactly what your conversion rate is manually this way, and it's not hard to figure out. This little calculator here is free, guys, online. It's pretty cool. I like it because it keeps a little tape of everything you add, everything you're doing over here, so that you can always go back and you can see everything you've done, and then you can just clear it, and then go back and revisit what you've done if you need that information, and then you can just clear the tape altogether and start over if you want. But kind of cool. They do have a paid version that does a lot more stuff, but this one's free. Mofsoft free calculator. I'll leave a link to that in the bottom end of this video. Also, I'll leave a link to ClickStrack if you want to check that out. It's a pretty awesome link tracker. You can, link tracking, banner ads, conversion. You can actually, they have some code that you can check your conversions that way too. Install that on your thank you page. Anyway, and also, guys, if you'd like to know how to create videos like this, and with the templates like this and everything, I'll go ahead and leave a link down there for that as well. Shows you everything you need to know. So alright, guys, I will talk to you guys later.